egg is broken by a force outside, the life ends. If an egg is broken by the force inside, the life begins. During my executive education program and the management development program, I learned a lot of lessons on leadership. Dozens and dozens of leadership lessons. But there's one thing which I mastered is how to motivate people. I thought I can make anybody do anything. My confidence, the self-confidence, became overconfidence when I thought I can motivate even an unhatched egg and make it fly. Friends, during the initial days of Speak and Lead Toastmasters, we used to meet in a hotel week after week. As Mr. Gurbinder said, I was ready for my icebreaker P1 speech, and he said, "Sorry, I'm on an official visit. I can't meet you." I said, "Why?" It happened for P2. As it comes to the project 3, DTM Gurbinder called me and told, "Look, I'm traveling, but I got an evaluator for you. Toastmaster Saleh Al-Khamyasi. He will evaluate your speech and he will give you the right feedback." The speech was over and the meeting was over. I was just trying to put things back to the cupboard. This gentleman approached me. "Brother, you delivered an inspiring speech. I loved your speech. You are a champion in the making. These are the 3 project titles which you should complete soon and be eligible for the contest." Those days, the competent communicator, you need to finish 6 projects to be eligible to contest. And he also said, "I used to communicate only with WhatsApp, so my number is 9768-4948. Please text all the 3 speech drafts to me and title is now with you." I was overwhelmed with joy and I was rejuvenated. The person who comes forward and looking to support me and help me to become a champion speaker. A week passed by. I received a call. "Brother, I'm Saleh Al-Khamyasi. What happened to 3 speeches?" Speeches. I am into. "No worries. You come to my Toastmaster office." "Sir, your Toastmaster office?" "It's simple. It's Starbucks Kurum." Friends, it is the small Starbucks coffee shop just adjacent to the EY building. And he has a corner, a round table with 2 chairs kept, and he spent hours and hours mentoring all his mentees. I went with my P4 draft. He looked at the draft and gave me a very positive comment and told, "Look, everything is good. These 2 points of improvement. Just go and deliver your speech." Till then, I never seen Saleh Al-Khamyasi as a Toastmaster. But that day I realized there is some connect between me and him. And he is the one who is a very selfless person, wanted to help others without even asking for it. A quality which I would like to take myself into me. As days passed, our meetings become very frequent and it has gone out of the boundaries of Toastmasters. He was transforming me from a normal Toastmaster to a leader. Every opportunity which come across Toastmaster Saleh, he used to offer to me. I was a test speaker for many contests, area contests, division contests, even the district. To your surprise, I'm the chief judge for Arabic contest. I prepared all my speeches, including DTM Saizu, in an Arabic speaking club. We deliver and we get the feedback from them. Whenever I come across with him, or whenever we deliver a speech in the club, he comes and sits at the corner of the room and he will observe, give you a positive statement as well as a point for improvement. Be it a contest or be it a normal speech. As a mentor, he is always there. There are two sentences or the quotes which he always says. You prepare your speech. You are not going to impress. You just express your story. Never bother about the knowledge of the opponent. You deliver your best. Rest you leave it. I was inspired by this gentleman. Whenever I come across, I felt I'm delighted to have a mentor like him. As a protege, I was benefited to inculcate the qualities in him. And one last thing what I like, he bite more than what he can chew. One of the good qualities which he had, he always had things in his hand. My transformation is not in one single day. It has taken years associating with Toastmasters Sala. But he ensured a transformation happens in me from a normal Vichu to a distinguished Toastmaster Vichu, a normal speaker to a competent communicator, from a normal Vichu to a competent leader. Today I stand in front of you, and it reminds me of a quote by Buddha. It says, when the student is ready, teacher will appear. Thank you.